So we got done in ASTM.
Right.
And now we're in the crappiest part of Denver that we could find. A lot of dispensaries, a lot of marijuana around.
Yeah,
so
Patchouli was giving directions. It did not go well.
Patchouli said left. Wait, right. No, I mean left. Like, literally, am I lying about that?
No, turn left here. It's a one-way the opposite direction. Okay, do the next one. It was not.
She didn't like one ways.
No, they confused me.
Yeah, it's not good.
What is confusing? It's anyway, so we got done with ASTM
right.
for today. I'm actually going back tonight. Do I really?
Yeah. You told
I'm going back tonight. It's going to be so awesome.
For one more committee meeting, right?
One more meeting.
Yeah.
I'm heading home to take over with the children.
Yeah, supposedly the kids were coming out tonight, but that's not happening.
Oh, downtown is just a nightmare.
Yeah. But we had a great time.
Yes.
We had a great time. I definitely have to say that I never want to come to Denver ever again. Thank you, Mile High City. You cured me of cities.
Or ASTM.
Left onto East Colfax Avenue.
No, I do want to come to ASTM.
Do you?
Which way am I going?
0.6 miles, you're making a left on Colfax. One of our favorites.
Favorite road in Denver.
Favorite road.
Patchouli cut something that was really funny. So, so I'm driving because Whitney was having a problem with parallel parking, despite the fact she didn't have to park.
Dig.
Baby, language.
Right. You're talking about freaking... Anyways.
Yeah.
That was cut. Anyway.
Thank you.
So we had a good time at ASCM or ASTM.
Right.
I feel like we made a lot of headway on the draft that we're working on.
Sure.
It's been a lot of work, and working with the folks at ASTM can be a little tough. These are folks who've spent 20 to 40 years in the industry.
Right.
The great thing about it is there's a lot of continuity in what has been developed, what's gone out to the industry, and there's a lot of protection over what should go out to the industry. And that's why I get frustrated sometimes, because with that protection, that census, if you will, not that censor, that censoring, if you will, they're kind of locking out some new and emerging technologies that can help the industry grow.
Agreed.
We also had a great interview too.
Oh,
we did have a great interview. That was wonderful. But no, I think I think some people get wrapped up in the wrong thing sometimes with commas and whatnot, and with just different aspects. It's like, is that really why we're here? Do we need to waste that much time on that? We meet twice a year. Like, you know what I mean? Take the time that things need, but keep in mind how much time does this specific topic or comment actually deserve.
Right. Well, and
then moving forward.
And then I also feel like there are some people who have a tendency of looking out for the best interests of their own products.
Agreed.
And that might be a little bit of a slap in the face to our viewers who do that. You know who you are. But you see it all the time. I just had to deal with that in the lobby. Somebody got all upset at me because I was talking about... Yeah,
right.
So...
Well, Colfax is your next one up here.
I see it.
Cool. So, anyways, ASTM in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed it.
Look out for videos coming up.
Yep.
This might be the end of it. I don't know.
I think this is the last ASTM video.
Yeah. Okay.
So, anyways.
Is this the last ASTM video?
Yeah.
Oh, shucks.
Yep. Go ahead, like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications.
Ding!
Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt! Oh, driving.